Hello, my name is Madison, and this is for the Autism Spectrum Disorder discussion board. Starting with question number 1, which of the following misconceptions does Sabine emphasize was corrected by new diagnostic criteria rather than being an actual syndrome? I picked B, Rajan system believed to explain mental overload, and it's the only fake item while the others reference real phenomena. For question number 2, according to the video, why did 1990 sociologist Judy Singer coin the term neurodiversity? I picked answer B to advocate autistic strengths beyond deficit-based thinking. For question 3, how does Hoffenfelder phrase the phenomenon of more people being labeled neurodivergent? And I picked D, in awakening better tools unmasking old traits. For question 4, highlight 2 reasons for increased self-diagnosis. One is improved diagnostic criteria. What is the other? I picked B, reduction of psychiatric stigma, and it's because the video repeatedly attributes increased diagnosis to awareness in a less stigmatized environment. Question 5. What surprising figure does the video present for male to female adult autism ratio? And I picked 3-1, even though the video says 4-1, but that was the closest answer. For my conclusion, after watching the video, I realized how much social trends shape the way we talk about our own minds. On one hand, the growing number of people identifying as neurodivergent feels like a corrective to decades of silence, almost like a collective agreement. When Hossenfelder explains how many adults were missed entirely by childhood screenings, it makes sense that people my age turn to self-identification as the way to fill in those gaps. But at the same time, I can see why some families of people with level 3 autism feel erased when TikTok treats neurodiversity like an aesthetic. For me, the takeaway is that inclusivity and scientific accuracy shouldn't be competing goals. The more we expand the conversation, the more responsibility we have to remember the full spectrum, especially for those who cannot speak themselves. Thank you.